The mission of the Hutchins Center on Fiscal and Monetary Policy is to improve the quality and efficacy of fiscal and monetary policy and public understanding of it. We're very proud of what we've accomplished since we were founded in 2014, and we look forward to doing even better in the years ahead. We're very grateful for the support of the Hutchins Family Foundation, which has given us the resources to pursue this mission and the freedom to do it well.
Why the Hutchins Center? Well, we thought that it was important to have an institution in Washington that made fiscal and monetary policy decision-making and its implications understandable and accessible to the general public. We started first with monetary policy because I had joined the board recently of the Federal Reserve Bank of New York and learned that there was very little resources around the country and the world for the study of monetary policy. So we could have a place where we could study monetary policy, produce high quality research, and then make its discussion and dissemination available to the world. A lot of people don't remember that Brookings is a .edu, not a .org. And in our educational mission, we've done a lot of fiscal policy stuff with the fiscal ship, the fiscal stimulus monitor, and various explainers that we've done. I think vitally important to our success is we had what I call an open architecture model. We had a relatively lean staff. We had some very high quality, what I would call superstars, Ben Bernanke, Janet Yellen, Don Cohn. We had an editor in David Wessel. We had a policy expert in Louise Shaner, and then we had some research staff. As we went out to look at particular topics, like one example would be looking at negative interest rates some years ago, we're able to go around the world and use our resources not to hire people internally, but to commission the best people in the world, the world's leading experts, the subjects that we're interested in. So by definition, our work was always world-class, and its impact could be made even greater. It's done a lot more for me than I ever could have done for it, and it's really been a great pleasure and a privilege for not just me, but my whole family to be involved.
Over the past 10 years, we've hosted more than 130 public events and dozens of private conferences and seminars. We've posted more than 85 working papers and other reports, often influencing the debate on important public policy issues, such as the merits of the Fed's decision to set 2% as its inflation target, and the lessons the Fed should learn from the recent past. We've published in leading peer-reviewed journals. We've published more than half a dozen books. Our weekly email Hutchins Roundup of new economic research reaches more than 14,000 people every week. Our fiscal ship computer game on the federal budget asks players first to choose their goals for government and then to pick from more than 125 tax and spending options to stabilize the federal debt over 25 years, while also realizing those goals for government. The game has been played well over 1 million times. Our primers on timely economic policy topics, such as What is a Government Shutdown? Our Hutchins Center Explained series, are very popular on our website. Our External Wealth of Nations database provides over 50 years of estimates of the external financial assets and liabilities of more than 200 economies. We've been quoted in a wide variety of media. Since 2016, we've joined the business schools at Brandeis and WashU and the Public Policy School at the University of Chicago to organize the Municipal Finance Conference, which brings together academics, municipal bond participants, and public sector officials to discuss rigorous research on state and local fiscal issues and the muni bond market. We are working with the Sadie Collective and partnering with the University of Chicago's expanding Diversity in Economics Summer Institute to diversify the pipeline of students pursuing the study of economics. We've got a Nobel Prize winner. We are proud of our alumni. And we've got big plans for the future, addressing questions such as these.
How can we improve the measurement of productivity in hard-to-measure sectors of the economy? What should the Fed consider when it reviews its monetary policy strategy? How has the labor market changed in the past few years? And what are the pros and cons of various options to stabilize the federal debt and put Medicare and Social Security on a sound financial footing? For more on the Hutchins Center, check out our website.